Welcome back everyone. Today we've got a tasty plant signature dish for you. The most amazing fluffy American pancakes served with some wild berries and some beautiful maple syrup. Let's get into it. This right here does wonders. Buckwheat is a highly nutritious whole grain, which I consider a superfood. It increases heart health, promotes weight loss, is a very, very good source of protein. It protects the body against cancer, and is even gluten-free. All right, so first we're gonna start off with our buckwheat, which is 1.5 cups. And our normal flour, which is also 1.5 cups. And our salt, all you want is literally just a small pinch. Just adds to the flavor. We've got about 8 grams of baking powder. What we're gonna do is mix that together until nicely incorporated. Then our milk. This is 1 3/4. And we've got 1/3 cup of maple syrup. You just want to whisk this nicely to make a nice thick batter. Also, if you like, you can add almond essence, you can add vanilla essence, but I love the flavor of buckwheat, which is like a nicely nutty sort of flavor, so you don't really have to add any. And that right there is exactly what you're looking for, a nice, thick, velvety batter. And we are ready to fry already. All right, now is where the magic happens. We're gonna preheat our pan to a medium heat with about a tablespoon of our coconut oil. Quick pro tip. If you want the perfect size pancakes, use a ice cream scoop, and you want them to be consistent. So our pan's been preheated for about 2 minutes now. As you can see, it's started to smoke slightly. That's all right. As soon as we put our pancakes in, we're just going to turn our heat down to about a low heat. That is perfect. Now what you want to do is you want to trap the air just so you can let the pancakes rise nicely. All right, so you want your pancakes to cook about 1.5 minutes on each side, and when you know they're perfect to be turned is when they've got air bubbles in the mixture. Just going to check on them. They are looking beautiful. And they should be ready. I'm going to put the lid back on, let it cook for about another 20-30 seconds. As you can see, they start to rise nicely. Exactly what we're looking for. You want a nice golden brown colour. And that's when you know they're perfectly cooked and we're ready to serve.